और सीधा अब ठीक है. Hello.
It's me, Ravi Roshan Tuddu, and I was trying to make a video upon Ender 3 Pro, but thing didn't go as I planned. I missed, and my 3D printer हक दिया भाई. नहीं वो बात है ना ये सब
बहुत सेफ्टी से आता है सब चीज़.
So I have just woke up and I am having sleepless night because of this thing. Yeah, this thing. This is the hot end of my printer, and the fan. ये ओरिजिनल फैन इसका उड़ गया था. And I have already printed this file from Thingiverse. This is the hot end enclosure of this printer, Ender 3 Pro. And what I am going to do is that I am going to fix a fan here. Why I am not changing the fan of the Ender 3 Pro? Because that is what it's. Because गरीब है भाई. I don't have money.
मैं गरीब हूँ.
तो let's fix this 3D printer with the 3D print. That is the fan that I'm going to use inside. Yeah, not that one. This one. So खोलने जा रहे हैं बस इसको भाई.
For those of you who are wondering that how did I printed without fan, the extruder fan, I used this fan. See this one? This fan, this was blowing for 6 hours, for 6 to 8 hours. This trick didn't last for long. I had to, it just stopped working. I don't know why, but it's just stopped working. And so I had to move to a second hack, which was to convert cardboard into a piece of tunnel enclosure for the bigger fan, which I used for my temporary printing process. I used it for temporary printing, just to print last part.
It's done. Yes.
Oh shit. Oh, my 3D printed parts are ready. Yeah.
The final part is here. It's the final part. It is made up of and it is made up of 3 parts. First one here, the first print. Second is here, the tunnel. The second print, and third one is here, the third print for the and I haven't used the right screws because I didn't get them. So here it is. Here how I printed my first enclosure without the printer fan, the extruder cooling fan, and how I used Jugaad for printing the parts that I need to fix my printer. Wait a second, this is not the final print because I know that this design is not perfect. I'm not the professional 3D designer, I am just a beginner, and I made this print just for my temporary use until I get my new fan. So this one is temporary and this one is not perfect, and this one is not that great at doing it work, but this will manage my work until I get my fans. So this was the whole video. Thank you.